Tesla, the trailblazing electric vehicle manufacturer, led by visionary entrepreneur Elon Musk, has set its sights on a new horizon in the automotive industry, building an affordable electric car for the masses. Tesla's mission to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy has been at the core of its operations since its inception. With the opening of its German factory, known as Giga Berlin, the company aims to make electric vehicles more accessible and affordable for a broader demographic. Today, we explore the significance of Tesla's German factory in the pursuit of an affordable electric car, highlighting the factory's location, impact, and the key elements that set it apart. Tesla's plans to build an affordable electric vehicle in Grünheide, Germany, mark a significant step toward making sustainable transportation accessible to a broader demographic. This endeavor holds various potential benefits, including increasing the reach of Tesla's EVs, accelerating EV adoption, and spurring competition in the EV market. Giga Berlin's strategic location in Grünheide, Germany, offers Tesla a pivotal advantage at the core of Europe's automotive excellence. Germany, renowned for its automotive prowess, provides Tesla access to a wealth of skilled labor and a dense network of suppliers. By situating itself amidst this automotive hub, Tesla benefits from streamlined collaboration, quicker access to high-quality parts, and the exchange of industry knowledge, enhancing the efficiency and precision of its electric vehicle production. The prospect of an affordable Tesla EV, starting at around €25,000, is an exciting one. Tesla has been at the forefront of the EV revolution, but its vehicles' relatively high price points have limited their appeal to a specific market segment. By offering a more affordable option, Tesla can extend its reach to a broader range of consumers, including those on a budget. Additionally, an affordable Tesla EV has the potential to drive the adoption of EVs in general. Tesla is a well-established and respected brand in the EV market, known for its high-quality vehicles and top-tier performance. An affordable Tesla EV would make it easier for people to make the switch to an EV, reducing carbon emissions and improving air quality. Competition is another area where an affordable Tesla EV can make a significant impact. Currently, there is a limited number of affordable EVs on the market. The introduction of a budget-friendly Tesla model would likely put pressure on other automakers to reduce the prices of their own EVs to remain competitive. This, in turn, would benefit consumers, as lower prices across the board make EVs a more attractive choice. However, building an affordable Tesla EV is not without its set of challenges. One of the primary obstacles is reducing the cost of batteries. Batteries are a significant cost component in EVs, and to create an affordable model, Tesla needs to find ways to make batteries cheaper. Another challenge lies in simplifying the manufacturing process to cut costs. Tesla's current manufacturing processes are known for their complexity, and simplification is crucial to making the vehicles more affordable. Reducing manufacturing complexity not only lowers costs, but also enhances production efficiency. Scalability is a critical concern as well. Tesla's existing production capacity may not be sufficient to meet the demand for an affordable EV. Tesla's plans to build an affordable EV in Grünheide, Germany, have the potential to reshape the EV market. The benefits are manifold, reaching a wider audience, promoting broader EV adoption, and fostering competition. However, there are hurdles to overcome, including reducing battery costs, simplifying manufacturing processes, and scaling up production capacity. Despite these challenges, Tesla's strong brand, innovative track record, and heavy investment in new technologies position it well to make affordable EVs a reality. While the exact specifications and release date remain uncertain, the announcement of this new vehicle is a positive development for both Tesla and the EV industry as a whole. Hope you found this video informative and engaging. For more exciting content on Tesla's German factory and other fascinating topics, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for the next video, where we'll explore more intriguing developments in the world of electric vehicles and sustainable technology. Until then, goodbye, and see you again soon.